What is going on, guys? It's been 4 months since I've given you an update regarding my vending machine business. In this one here, I wanted to give you an idea on how much money this one vending machine has been making since we've placed it in its location, how we stay organized within this business, and of course, talk about those issues that we've had running a used machine. So, sit back, relax, get your girlfriend to grab you a snack, maybe some popcorn, Skittles, I don't know, probably some, I like peanut M&Ms. But let's jump right into it. We're going to jump 4 months into the past, and here you'll see me loading up my bins that I purchased from Sam's Club when I got my drinks and snacks. I keep my candy and chips in the top bin and the variety drinks in the bottom bin. I purchased my rolling tray from Harbor Freight for about 45 bucks, so in total that's about $85 that I spent just to get product into the facility with one haul. Next, we're going to be opening up that machine, pull out that candy tray, our very top one, and see what's been selling. Things are checking out. We're going to give ourselves a thumbs up and jump into filling it up. Here, you're going to be able to see what's selling in the machine. Maybe you need to start switching things up, pull out the product that isn't selling, but this facility does pretty good. As you can see, we are definitely pulling money from this machine, which led me to put a Nayax card reader on it, and that doubled our sales. If you guys would like a video on how I did that, let me know in the comments and we'll make that happen. So back in March is where we installed that Nayax card reader. You'll see that those numbers are increasing in value, and as time went on, those numbers decreased in value. So now let's talk about the unfortunate things that happened to me 3 months into running this vending machine. I got a text message from a friend of mine who works at the facility letting me know that the machine was leaking. This is absolutely the worst text you can get from the property you are servicing. So I went ahead, got to the machine, checked out the internals, and oh my god, was it disgusting. I was actually embarrassed that I let this machine run as long as it did while it looked like this on the inside. So I went online, I looked as much as I could for replacement parts to get things back in order, but unfortunately I couldn't find anything that could fix the issues that I was having. So we went ahead and removed the refrigeration unit from the bottom of that machine, and now it is strictly a snack machine. But I have some good news. Now, I don't want to scare anybody away from purchasing a used machine. I just think that I could have done a little bit more research and may have actually looked more on the internals of this used machine that I had purchased. However, we did take out that refrigeration unit. We got the machine all cleaned up on the inside, which yes, I did previously before putting any product in there, but I actually didn't get inside the refrigeration unit, which is where you will find the condenser and all the other internals that make a combination machine cold. The good news is I had a second location reach out to me asking for a snack machine. So this gave me the opportunity to bring this now snack machine into this facility and purchase a brand new machine. Alright, so we're going to slide over to Google. We're going to type in Sam's Club. Whoops. Go over to samsclub.com. In the search bar, we're going to type in combo vending machine. And wow, look at that. We have all these selections. You can go through, figure out what your budget is. Of course, these are not cheap. $4,000, $3,000, $4,000, $6,000, $3,000. Not cheap. However, you click on one of these, you can put a card reader on it if you want to. It's going to jump up in price. Jesus, that's a lot. We're going to keep it without it. Scroll down a little bit to the specs. And rebate program. Check this out. With the purchase of this vending machine, you can buy qualifying items online or in club and receive a rebate.
Only qualifying items, numbers listed below, will be honored. Simply send.
Definitely look into this, especially if you're not wanting to deal with the BS like I did with my used machine. So write this down, take a picture. This is the hack. Now let's talk about staying organized within this business. Prior to starting, when I went to Sam's Club for the first time, I purchased 2 bins along with a rolling tray. This cost me about $48, but this allows me to organize all product within these bins along with being able to pull all product into the facility in one trip. I prefer this as opposed to filling up a backpack and making multiple trips, because you are then having to load the machine, lock the machine back up, run back out to your vehicle, come back to the machine, unlock it. It's just a lot of time wasted. So staying organized for me has definitely helped. It's made certain processes go a lot smoother, and I just recommend it because you look a lot more professional. And boss is helping us move boxes around. Jesus. Alright, yeah, take that to your spot. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you sticking with me through this long video. It's been fun. I hope that you learned something from it. If you want me to create another video regarding this new machine that I am now running in my first location, along with giving you an update regarding the snack machine in the second location, let me know. I enjoy making these videos. Other than that, I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, whatever it may be. Enjoy life to its fullest and go out there and make some money. See you guys later.